Select 3 activities for additional practice. Think about the level of challenge that is best for you. Choose this activity to practice selecting letter group 1 slides. Select the slide that matches the sound you hear. Each slide is from letter group 1. Da. Right. Ga. Nice work. Ba. Nice. Fa. Nice. Choose this activity to practice finding letter group 1 slides within a group of letters. You will see a group of letters. Within the group of letters is a slide that uses sounds from letter group 1. Move the bar to find the slide. Click the Next button when you are finished. Find the slide. Fa. Well done. Da. Great. Ga. Good. Ba. Right. Choose this activity to practice typing letter group 1 sounds. Type the letter you hear. Each sound is from letter group 1. Click the Next button when you are finished. Type the letter for the sound G. Very good. A. Good. F. That's correct. D. Correct. B. Nicely done.
You have completed all the required activities.
Sort the letters by dragging each letter into its correct column. Click on the speaker buttons to hear each letter pronounced. Each letter and sound is from letter group 1. Sort the letters by dragging each letter into its correct column. Each letter and sound is from letter group 1. A. B. F. G. D. Nice. A. Nicely done. G. F. B. Good. G. F. Right. Very good. Good. Great job. Good. Nicely done. You did it.